Hey guys, welcome to Landscape Rescue. My name's Stuart Moore and thank you for joining me. So this is my home. This is kind of where I like to do a lot of experimenting and playing with different color combinations and things like that. What's going to work in my zone, zone 6, might not work in yours. It's fun to hang out, and we haven't been doing any garden chores in a while together, so I thought this would be something fun that we could do. Today I'm going to do some window boxes. I have 1.5 bags of Miracle-Gro potting soil that you saw me buy at Lowe's. I'm also going to be using Tree Saver. This is Tree Saver, Roots Tree Saver, which is a professionally marketed product to introduce beneficial fungus and rhizospheric bacteria. It also has something called Terrasorb in it, which is a copolymer that absorbs 200 times its weight in water. I'm going to incorporate this with the Coleus that I'm going to be planting in this window box. So the Coleus that I'm going to be planting is this no-name Coleus right here. I bought this at Walmart for $6.97 and I ended up getting 2 of them. 2. Then I got, it's a Better Homes and Gardens, I guess, whatever. Here's another no-name Coleus. I've got 2 of those, and then I bought these at Lowe's, and this is the rustic orange. And I like the color combinations. Of course, I like orange and pink and purple, so that's why I went with those. So we'll have a good time with it, and I will hopefully have enough potting soil. Then I've got just some mulch that I pick up. These are like $2 a bag, either at Walmart or Home Depot. I think it's the exact same brand of just dyed mulch, and I like to use that just to keep some of that water retention. You know, pots are pretty water demanding. You guys know this. I'm not telling you anything you don't know. So, fantastic. Let's get to it.
Throw away all your umbrellas, 'cause I've chased the clouds away. No, nothing's gonna rain on this parade today. I feel it and I love it, like every day is sunny.
I bought too many Coleus. So what I'm doing is I am counting these bricks that they used as kind of this shelf to just make sure it's symmetrical on both sides, because it's not going to really matter in 2 weeks. As things grow out, you won't be able to tell, but I'll know, and that's enough. I'm not OCD, but I've seen things done correctly before, and that's just what I always try to do. Okay, that seems to work. I've already pinched the majority of these, especially these tall ones. I went ahead and pinched those, but I can see one that I didn't do yet. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So right here, right, a lot of times you'll hear me talk about the dominance being stopped. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to pinch this a little bit off right there. Now this will no longer grow. That dominance has been stopped. So what's going to grow now is these side shoots, and that's how you get a really fat and sassy Coleus.
Did somebody say sassy?
See, we're going to make some fat and sassy Coleus over the year.
Oh, sassy.
And then here in about 3 or 4 weeks, I'm going to be coming out of here, and the Coleus is going to be talking about how we never spend any quality time together and I never take it any place nice. And I'm going to say, but I'm working all the time to pay for this big house and this beautiful window box you live in. And the Coleus is going to tell me it's just not good enough. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Still sassy.
I feel it and I love it, like every day is sunny. Turn it up to 100, and it just gets better. I feel it and I love it.
Now, you guys are probably noticing I'm not putting any Agriform tabs in with the Coleus because they're annuals, and those tablets are not necessarily expensive, but they last 2 years. So what I don't want to do is I don't want to waste a tablet on that. I'm going to use male organite and maybe a water-soluble fertilizer just for my annuals.
So many comments on such a pretty disguise, only to bury treasures from a world of jealous eyes.
All right, so this is male organite. So it's processed human waste or sludge, right? So you have probably heard that poem as a kid, milk, milk, lemonade, around the corner, male organite is made. Male organite.
You know you gotta let it go, and you know you gotta let it go, and you know you gotta let it go.
I didn't even know why I wanted to blend. I guess it was just easier at the time.
So you were hiding out underneath the cool shade, try to redeem yourself so your fiction never fades. But everyone you know, you see that shovel on your shoulder. But everyone you know, you see that shovel on your shoulder. And you know you gotta let it go. 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 And you know you gotta be someone. And you know you gotta be someone. Whenever the day comes.
All right, there it is. I know it's not overly exciting and it's nothing you've never seen before, but you probably haven't heard that poem because I'm the one that made it up. So thanks for joining me on Landscape Rescue, guys. My name's Stuart Moore, and thank you very much for letting me into your home to talk about plants.
Hello once again. I'm Russell Clark, Senior Editor, Sassy Magazine.